Oh, Mother of Jesus. I must overrail. Having braces really humbles you. It really reminds you that if you don't brush your teeth will be noticeably disgusting. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you girlies my hygiene routine since getting my braces on. For my toothbrushes, I have two types of toothbrushes that I use. I use a soft brush and then a hard brush. I don't use this as often just because I don't want to mess with my rubber bands, but I also don't want to brush too hard where I'm stripping off my enamel. So I start off with the first brush and then I go in with the hard brush just to ensure like I'm getting in between my brackets where the soft brush can't get out. As for toothpaste, I don't really have anything special, anything organic. I haven't gone that far in my journey. But I will say, I am looking for a more natural alternative for toothpaste. So if anybody has any suggestions for toothpaste that whitens your teeth naturally without all these harsh chemicals, drop them in the comments. Now, if there's one thing I've noticed since having braces is that making sure that you're doing the 45 degree is important. I think some people forget, and even I had to learn this the hard way, is you can't just brush your teeth like this and think your teeth are getting clean. So that's something that really matters in keeping your teeth white, but also getting in every crevice of those teeth. Okay, so my first brush is done. Now we're moving on to the second brush. When it comes down to doing this part, I really like to focus on my bottom teeth because my brackets, in my personal opinion, feels like they're super close to the bottom of my tooth. So I even notice when I'm eating, I tend to get a lot of plaque underneath here. So I like to use the hard brush versus the soft brush to really get in there, especially for the areas where I'm starting to form hard plaque. I honestly shouldn't have eaten food before brushing my teeth and filming this video because everything that I just consumed feels like it's going to be in the sink. The next step in my routine would have to be interdental brushing. This is what I like to use, these little brushes right here. You can literally get these at Dollar Tree. You can get them at Target, Walmart. I just get them at Dollar Tree because I know I'm gonna throw these bad boys in the trash. So I like to use these to really get in between my brackets just to make sure that there is absolutely no food and any plaque that is in between my teeth. I have the possibilities of really getting in there and brushing it out. This is by far my favorite part. Water flossing. I would fill this up halfway with water and then I'd fill the rest with the mouthwash, and then that's basically how I would water floss. Oh, Mother of Jesus. I must overrail. So I have this condition called gingival hyperplasia. Essentially, it's when my gums grow over my tooth. This is something that I've dealt with since I was a pretty young kid, and I've noticed that since I've been doing the water flossing in my routine, I'm actually able to get underneath where the gum is so I can properly clean my teeth, because if I do not, I notice that if I just brush my teeth normally, I would tend to bleed because my gums grow over my tooth. With knowing that, I've been looking into maybe getting a gum vasectomy on my teeth. I have a really nice smile. I just hate that I have my gums like that cover the entirety of the side of my teeth. So maybe in the future. Maybe in the future that's something I'll do. But for right now, this has been helping to keep my teeth clean and healthy. But I hope you girlies enjoyed today's video. Definitely comment down below your braces routine and things that you implement in your braces routine, because I know for me, my biggest struggle is having my teeth a little bit whiter. So I don't know if it's my toothpaste or the methods I'm using. So let me know down in the comments some of the methods that you guys have acquired to keep your teeth white while having braces. But with that being said, stay crusty. Bye.